Whether you are a beginner or you have been on social media but still you are struggling with editing your videos, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Teachpreneur. On social media, I teach you content creation tips, how to make money online, and how to use different AI tools for your small businesses or for content creation. Not everything that we record in a video that needs to be posted. That is why we have to, from time to time, edit our videos to make it good for posting. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can highlight your video, delete the portions you don't need, and then put together the portions that you want to post. So if you're new on this channel, please help us to grow by subscribing, give us a thumbs up if you like the content, and share it with others. Thank you. Now that you've subscribed and you have given us a thumbs up, let's get into the tutorial. You are going to go to your profile and you click on the plus sign at the bottom so that you can start recording your video. Now at the studio, you can either record a video right there, or you can go to your photo gallery by clicking on that small square to go and get the video you want to use. Now you just scroll. I don't really have a long video, but I'm just going to select any video here just to demonstrate how you can do this. So this is a video we want to work with. Now we are going to click on the edit sign at the top right. That will then make the video to go to the editor. So you can either do that method, or you can just use your finger to just swipe down and you'll come to this editor. Now this is the video, and you can see the small video down here in the video timeline. Yes, just as I'm moving it, that's the video timeline. So the first thing we do is to highlight the video timeline. You can either use your finger to touch the video timeline, or you can see the scissors below. You can click on the scissors icon at the bottom here to highlight the video. But what I do usually is just to use my finger to click on the video timeline so that the video will be highlighted. So you cannot cut the video without first of all highlighting the video. So let's go ahead and highlight it. For this video, I want to cut the part where she started dancing. So I'm going to highlight it from the beginning of where she just started and then cut it there at that point. Then I'm just going to leave it to play again to the other side where she stopped dancing. And then I will make another split there. Now I have made 2 splits. I don't want the portion in the middle. Like you see me do in the video, I'll highlight it and then look at the bottom. This I'm going to click on the delete so that that middle part that I don't need will be deleted. And then the first part and the last part will be joined together to make a flow of that video. So this is what you also do when the video is, you made a mistake, you remove the portions. So you see people posting polished videos. It doesn't mean that they didn't make mistakes. They made mistakes, but with editing, those mistakes were removed. So this is how you get to highlight a video, delete portions you don't need, and put together the portions that you need.